Hi everyone, today I'm excited to introduce our latest feature designed specifically for Indian users and users worldwide, Indian Reports Customization. This feature is all about helping you maximize your proposal results with a fully customizable and personalized approach. Once you've created your report, you'll notice a Customize Proposal button. Clicking on this button will open the editable proposal board. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all your pages. You can click on each page individually to make edits. Additionally, you have the flexibility to rearrange the order of the pages or hide pages that you don't want to include in the final proposal. To hide a page, simply click on the eye icon next to it. On the right-hand side, we've added several options to help you further personalize your proposal. Here you can select the language and font to match your brand's voice and style. Use the color selection tool to pick a theme color that aligns with your brand. At the top of the board, you'll notice a plus icon. By clicking on this, you can add new pages with videos, images, or text content. To make this process easier, we've included templates for each type of page. Lastly, you can choose from a variety of predefined themes for your entire proposal. These themes are available in both landscape and portrait orientations, giving you complete flexibility to design proposals that truly stand out. We hope this feature helps you create more impactful and visually appealing proposals. Thank you for watching this video.